Ecofil by IceWater have delivered on their promise by playing our part in reducing plastic usage. Current finalists and previous winners of the National Green Awards is a recognition of the huge contribution Ecofil have made in tackling climate change. Ecofil has installed hundreds of hydration stations throughout Ireland and parts of Europe, resulting in the prevention of tens of millions of plastic bottles from going to landfill. Play your part. Reuse and refill at our installations throughout the country. We can all make a difference. Ecofil by IceWater work well with its partners in local government, education, large international companies, health providers and the hospitality sector in encouraging people to play their part in reducing our carbon footprint. We would like to thank our partners for working with us and helping us become the leading provider of hydration stations and water solutions in the country.